Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today, we've got something super exciting and a bit sciencey to unbox and test. The Fnirsi GC-03 3-in-1 detector. This handy gadget claims to detect electric fields, EF, magnetic fields, MF, and even nuclear radiation. That's right, all in one compact device. Is it a useful safety tool or just another flashy gadget? Let's find out. Let's see what we get in the box. Right on top, we have the user manual. And yes, it's in English, which is a win. Next, we've got a USB Type-C charging cable. And finally, the detector itself. It's surprisingly compact with a large display, just two main control buttons on the front, and a power on-off button on one side while Type-C charging port at the other side. The build feels solid, very pocket-friendly. Let's power it on. The screen lights up, showing three major indicators. EF for electric field, MF for magnetic field, RN for radiation, nuclear detection. Each section has its own reading bar, units, and colored alerts, yellow for normal or safe, and red for caution or danger. According to the manual, EF is measured in VM, MF in UT, microtesla, and radiation in US VUH. There's also an audio alarm that kicks in when levels exceed safe thresholds. Electric field test. Let's bring it near a power source. And yep, the EF bar jumps and turns red. You can clearly see how strong the electric field is around this breaker. Magnetic field test. Now let's try a power bank or speaker. As I move it close to the speaker's coil, boom, MF levels spike. You can even test microwave ovens, transformers, or routers. Nuclear radiation test. This one's the big mystery. Unless you have access to weak radioactive samples like uranium glass or old glow-in-the-dark items, it'll likely read background radiation. Here, it's showing about 0.1 USVH, which is normal environmental radiation. Note, background levels below 0.3 USV/H are considered safe. You can toggle between hold, max, and real-time detection modes. In the settings menu, you'll find several useful options like alarm settings, alarm records, and unit selection for both radiation and magnetic fields. There's also a function settings menu and a system settings section. Under system settings, you can change the language, adjust the volume and screen brightness, toggle the alarm sound on or off, and set the clock. You'll also find device information and a factory reset option. Everything is laid out clearly, making it easy to navigate, even if you're new to this kind of device. So after testing Fnirsi GC-03 3-in-1 detector, here's some pros and cons. Pros: compact and easy to carry. Measures 3 important types of emissions. Real-time alerts with visual and audio feedback. USB Type-C charging. Affordable for what it offers. Cons. Radiation detection is only good for weak sources or background levels. Readings can sometimes fluctuate indoors. No logging or app connectivity. So, is the Fnirsi GC-03 worth it? If you're someone who works around electrical equipment, deals with EMF-sensitive areas, or just wants a basic radiation monitor for peace of mind, this gadget definitely earns its spot in your toolkit. It's not a professional-grade dosimeter, but for the price, it's a great 3-in-1 diagnostic tool. And it looks pretty sleek, too. Let me know in the comments what you'd like me to test this detector on next. Maybe an old CRT TV, a transformer station, or glow-in-the-dark materials? Want to grab one for yourself? Check the buy link in the description below, and it really helps support the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more awesome tech reviews and tools you didn't know you needed.